Hello everyone, I'm Yuri Tufano. I'm an entrepreneur, investor and founder of the Investor Club. I teach entrepreneurs like me how to create a millionaire wealth through my course on investing. Today I want to explain why investment beats business 7-0. Please note, this is not an anti-business video. However, I want to be clear on what are the real numbers and what are the critical issues of doing business and what the benefits of investing are instead. Too often, we get dazzled by easy opportunities. What may seem like good income opportunities sometimes hide more than a few pitfalls. In a past video of mine, I showed you my stock market and real estate portfolio. A millionaire's portfolio like mine is not built with make money methods. It is good to make that clear before creating expectation or ideas that are not real. So, it is built with other more structured types of business. But I know what are you thinking. That you will settle for even less, but you should know. 1. You have to know that percentage of people who achieve at least one occasion of good income are very low. We are talking about around 1 or 2%. It's all those cases that manage to bring home over 5 grand a month and are in profit with the business. Maybe you can do it for 2, 3 or 4 months, get result worthy of a top player. In investment, instead, you simply make your money work for you. And those who do it 100% of the time without deviating from investment strategy will be in profit. 2. Within this percentage, which is low anyway, of those who manage to have with the business a really not worthy first result, there is a very large proportion of people who unfortunately cannot keep their earnings stable and cannot therefore maintain themselves at high levels. They stop earning. It is extremely difficult to maintain oneself at high levels over time. I myself represent a percentage of about 0.1% who manage to maintain themselves in the elite. Suffice it to say that by American standards, my income is in top 0.1%. In investing, on the other hand, my following the right strategy, the probability of getting result is infinitely greater, potentially close to 100% without deviating from the strategy. 3. Business can die. Unfortunately, 95% of startups die within the first 5 years. This is a fact. Investment cannot die if done sensibly and strategically. If it does, it is more likely that the world economy is collapsing. At that point, I would worry about much more. It is infinitely easier for my business of yours to collapse. 4. Business requires investment and upfront expenses. And nowhere is it said or written that you will know a profit for sure. Take into consideration that possibility that you might lose your initial investment if you can make it profit from the business. Some investment I make, on the other hand, have no startup or maintenance cost, and those to have them have a very good chance of appreciating. At 0, they certainly then don't go there. For example, a property with a Burj Khalifa in Dubai view can never be worth 0, 5. Business requires constant work and commitment, and lots of it as well, unlike investment that require no or little commitment. 6. Investment are quite predictable and safe, unlike business which has endless variable that can get in your way over and over and over again. And I know something about that from experience. 7. If you do business on third-party platform, you are completely dependent on them and their mood. That's why you necessarily have to invest and plan an independent income from this platform if something goes wrong. So, is it bad to do this kind of business? Absolutely not. I have done them and do them as well, but you have to be aware that you depend on others, and what you necessarily have to do is to create a safe alternative for yourself, and nothing is safer than investment. So, in conclusion, myself had incredible results doing business. There is no denying that, but I am aware that I am a part of very small percentage among those who have tried and then succeeded. Of the million of children, for example, who have tried their end at social in the last 20 years, only 2 have become Cristiano Ronaldo and Messi. You have to be realistic and maximize your chance. It is true that business have the potential to bring in big money in a short time. That is undeniable, but in most cases, unfortunately, this is not the case. Okay, so they have very high silent failure rates. All those who fail tend to blame themselves and do not externalize the fact that they have failed. It's not too bad to try, indeed, but what you necessarily need to do is to invest in creating your own wealth as safely as possible and not risk everything on opportunities that have much lower odds of success. Anyway, it is wise to start with what is most likely to succeed, and after you have secured your future, try to venture into a business opportunities that can give you additional boost to your investment. Myself have done this, and exactly this is how most of those who later succeeded in business and business have done it. They didn't risk anything in business and then invest. They did the opposite, trust me. If you like this video, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and tell me what you think in the comments. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.